In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in DocuSign. We'll walk through the complete flow: uploading your document, adding recipients, placing the signature field exactly where you want it, and sending it out for e-signature. I'll also share simple placement and sizing tips so your document looks clean and professional. Start by logging into DocuSign. From the home screen, click Start. Then choose Send an envelope. Upload your file from your computer by clicking Upload or by dragging and dropping it into the window. PDF is ideal, but standard document formats work as well. Make sure you're using the final version of your document, since any edits after tagging can mean repeating these steps. Next, add your recipient. Enter the signer's name and email address so DocuSign knows who to notify. If more than one person needs to sign, add each signer now. Keep emails accurate. This is where the signing link will be delivered. When your recipients are set, click. Next, to open the tagging screen, also labeled Add Fields. This is where you'll place the interactive fields on your document. If the Fields panel isn't already visible on the left, open it so you can access all the available tags. Before placing any field, confirm the correct recipient is selected in the top left recipient dropdown. This ensures every field you add is assigned to the right person. Now, locate the signature field in the Fields panel. It's often marked with a pen icon. Click and drag that signature field onto the exact line where the signer should sign. Use the guidelines to align it neatly, and resize it by dragging the corners so it fits the signature line without overlapping nearby text. To complete the signing block, add the name field and the date signed field near the signature. These auto-populate for the signer, which saves time and keeps formatting consistent. Place them where they're easy to read, typically to the right or directly beneath the signature line, and size them so the text won't wrap awkwardly. If you have multiple signers, switch the recipient in the top left dropdown and repeat the same placements for each person: signature, name, and date. Signed. Take a moment to scroll through every page, zoom in as needed, and fine-tune the placement so everything lines up cleanly. When you're satisfied, click Send in the bottom right corner. DocuSign will email your recipient a secure link to sign, and you'll receive a notification as soon as they complete it. That's all there is to it. Your document is now set up with a clear, accurate signature field and ready to go.